Here we are at our 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24 rental unit number 8 for sale. That's here on Norris Lake. These are powered by 115 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke outboard motors. This one currently has around 193 engine hours. This has been in rental use for 1 season. You're going to find the current asking price of this at www.yournewboat.com. Click the Find Your New Boat button and scroll down. All these are in order of price. Scroll down to see the 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24 rental fleet. You'll be able to see the asking price of each unit listed right there. And then you'll have the opportunity to click any of those links on the SunChaser rental fleet. That's going to show you a page with each rental unit that is still remaining. You'll see the engine hours for each one, the asking price for each one. Trailers are not included in these. We can get you a new trailer at our cost, or we can arrange to have the boat delivered to you. And we're here for our video tour of this unit number 8. We've got a 46-inch length front deck on the front of these, a front porch, whatever you want to call it. It's a large area that's outside of the gate. This is really nice if you want to throw a pair of fishing seats on here, or if you've got small kids and they like to jump off the boat and into the water. It gives you a lot of space that's on the exterior of this gate. The boat's still rated for 13, so you've still got plenty of room behind the gate. Should point out you've got a tear in the upholstery up here on this starboard side lounge seat. You do have the low maintenance vinyl flooring. Got 11 cup holders on board. It's rated for 13. You've got the 4 gates. You can exit off the front, the stern, the rear of the boat, or either side, port or starboard side. Pop-up changing room here. This lifts right up. And then there's a little strap right here. You unsnap. This frame will raise up, and that gives you a little privacy curtain for changing, or again, if you've got children, might be wise to keep a porta potty on board. That having that porta potty in this changing room could extend your time out on the water by a couple hours. At least save you from having to go in early. Bimini top overhead. You'll see a mount for removable lounge table right there in the center of the frame now. The tables are not included in these, but that mount is there from the factory, so you can easily pop a table in there. Swivel captain's chair with dual armrest. That's a Jensen AM/FM USB auxiliary Bluetooth stereo. You've got a 12-volt power outlet. Docking lights, navigation lights have been function tested. The horn does not work on this particular model. The stereo does. And you've got 2 speakers up under your front lounge seats. Also have a tachometer and a fuel gauge. Storage underneath this sun pad here on the rear. Of course, this door opens as well, so you can get into there without having to raise that sun pad up if somebody happens to be lounging on there. There's also a little bit of a tear in the upholstery right here around that cup holder. Point that out for you. And here's our rear exit gate. That's a 5-step spoon boarding ladder. Corner plate is in good condition on this one. You've got a ski tow bar, and again, that's 115 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke outboard motor, and 38-gallon fuel capacity, 25-inch diameter pontoons, and you do need a corner plate on the port side corner here where I'm standing now. So again, visit our website. Any questions, contact us through there. That's where you're going to see our contact information. Contact us by phone, by text, or by email. Should also mention there's a little bit of impact damage up here on this corner right behind this aluminum framework here. That might be able to just be popped right back out, but there is a little bit of a gap of separation in there. So as I was saying, if you get our voicemail, leave us a detailed message. We're often in areas without cell phone reception, and then that way when I return your call, I can have your questions answered for you. One other area I should point out up here on the back side of this seat, I showed you this one at the start of the video, right around the edge here. That looks like possibly a small little tear that put some tape over just to keep that from getting any worse than it currently is. So that's going to wrap things up here for the 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24 rental fleet unit number 8. Again, you'll find the current asking price of this one on our website. You can contact us through there with any questions. These will be available till about February, at which point they will be removed from the market and they'll be running another season. So it's a great opportunity to get a discounted 2008 model, very light use, low freshwater engine hours. Thanks again for joining us.